Hello and welcome to this course. My name is Fakhar and I am your instructor for this course. At the end of this course, you will be able to edit and produce high quality videos for any device. We will start off this course by learning the interface of PowerDirector, and then we will learn the how to add effects, overlays, animated titles and transitions into your videos, and we will also learn the new features like how to create your own custom shapes, effects, animated titles, and transitions in PowerDirector. And then we will learn how to uh, do chroma key or green screen effect, how to crop, zoom, how to increase or decrease video speed, how to do your video in reverse, and how you can create stylish slideshows and much more. So enroll now and start learning PowerDirector today. I will see you in the class. Bye.